Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and blogs. I'll link our shop as well as the freebie for the month of January down below so you can grab it. I'm back at it again, you guys. I'm going to stuff my savings challenges with my SilynthiaC budget creation savings challenges. And let's count up what we're stuffing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have $20 here. I think I do want to break that 5 down. So let's see if we are able to do just that. All right. 2, 4, 5. What should we take ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we're going to go ahead and take some ones. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. We have plenty of 2s, and I think I want to leave the 2s in there. I think I do. All these savings challenges are in our shop, and so you can find them down below. And let's get started. We're going to roll the dice again. The last time we came together to do these savings challenges, we rolled the dice, and I think it worked out perfectly fine. So let's see here. Number 5. Number 5. Number 4. Number 6. Number 5. It looks like number 5 is completed, so we'll roll again. 2, 4, 2, 4. Yes. Number 1. Number 5 is completed. Let me make sure because I could be. Yes, it is 5. 5, 3, 6, 1, 2. Oh, I'm putting them in 2 separate places. 1, 4, 5, 5, 2. All right. 3, 3. 1 lucky dollar going to number 6. Awesome. Okay, so number 1 is our January savings challenge, and we have $2, $3, $4, and we have 4 here, and we are going to go ahead and color off that 4. All right, now in total we have $10, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19. I'm going to keep going with the savings challenge until I complete the bonus of $6. So wish me luck. Our number 2 is getting $2, and this is our Capricorn savings challenge. 1, 2. And in total we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 bucks. Okay. Next we have $3 going into our mermaid. 1, 2, 3. We only need 2 more dollars to finish this one. And in total we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. And next up we have $3 going into our winter savings. 1, 2, and 3. Then we have $4 going into our tattoo savings challenge, which is the one we completed today. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4. And in total we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bucks. Love, love, love to see it. I'm going to set that one off to the side. We'll find another one in just a moment. Our coffee and puppies is getting $2, $3, $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It seems to be a pattern. $4 every time. I'll take it. I love it that it's happening this way. We have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bucks. Alright, so I decided to go ahead and grab my January savings challenge. We have a couple of monthly options. This one is supposed to be a rolling save, so it may take me a while to complete this one. We'll see how it goes. I believe we were working on getting number 5, yes. So we'll go ahead and put this one in here for now. I do want to start my other savings challenge, but we're not going to do that today. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.